athlete who will compete in the palaro. So she grabbed all the equipments that she needed: a racket, shuttlecock, water, and her bag. As soon as she arrives in the court, she saw that a lot of the players were there already. Then one of her colleagues called her. Hannah and her friend start practicing. After some time, they take a break and rested in the bench for a while. They drink their waters. Then Hannah accidentally spilled her water, so the floor got wet, but she doesn't have a rag to wipe the floor wet, so she just left the floor wet. So while they were sitting there talking about the upcoming event, which is the palaro, then they get back to court and play again. Hannah ran after the shuttlecock, but she accidentally slipped because the floor is wet. Her partner grabbed her up, but suddenly Hannah's feet doesn't work. She feels it was very heavy. Then later on her foot got numb and she started to feel the pain. One of her partner carried her to the medics. Then the medics put a plaster on Hannah's right foot. The medic said that Hannah got a sprained ankle and she needs to rest for a while. She had to stop doing any heavy activities to fasten the healing of her right foot. She said that it is better for Hannah to rest for 4 weeks.
You need to rest for a while. You need to stop doing some heavy tasks or duties, and you need to rest your left foot for 4 weeks for your better healing and fast recovery.
But my game will be in 3D, ma'am, so does it mean that I will be able to play?
With your condition, ma'am, you have to wait for 4 weeks. You will not be able to play for now.
But I need to play, ma'am, because I think I'll be fine in 3 days.
So, ma'am, when you play in your condition, there's a possibility that it could lead you to an injury. If by chance, when you do that, you can tear your muscle, it has a long process of healing.
I got it now, but how long does it take to heal when a person has gotten a major injury?
It's more than 1 year for a person to recover from third injury. So how to about that?
I could not take that. I thought it hurts that I can play for now, but I will never raise my faith to get injured again for a long time. Thank you, nurse. I'll be back in 4 weeks.
Well, in that case, you have to rest your foot for a while or for 4 weeks, and for your own sake and for your faster recovery.
After 4 weeks, Hannah went to hospital to ask the nurse if she's now free to do heavy duties since it's been 4 weeks since her injury.
ay